One of my favorite things to say is that you can't time the market, but you can focus on your time in the market. Let me explain what that means. Hi everyone, it's Kim Rock, Realtor with the Kim Rock Group, and I'm here with our December month end, also known as our 2024 year-end real estate snapshot. Our first topic, inventory levels. In December, our MSI was a 1.5, which is down from the 1.8 that we saw in November. Our next topic, median sales price. In December, our median sales price was $420,000, which is up from the $412,500 that we saw in November. And our last topic, days on the market. In December, our average days on the market was 30, up 4 days from the 26 that we saw in November. Wondering what's in store for the housing market in 2025? More specifically, what it all means for you if you personally are looking to buy or sell a house in 2025. Here's the latest on two of the biggest factors, home prices and interest rates. Everyone's keeping an eye on interest rates, as they have been for the past few years. But the question is, are they going to come down? And if so, how far and how fast? The good news is they are projected to ease a little bit in 2025. But that doesn't mean you should expect that we're going to return to the days of 3% interest rates. Those are in the past. Experts are forecasting that rates should settle down into the comfortable 6% range that we did see for a little bit last year. But the thing you have to remember is this is fluid and it changes based on what's happening in general in the world and in the economy. Experts are always reevaluating and revising their predictions. And since everything from inflation to economic drivers drives interest rates in the moment that we're in, that can change. So don't get caught up on the exact numbers and try to time the market. One of my favorite things to say is that you can't time the market, but you can focus on your time in the market. Let me explain what that means. If you're planning on holding a home for long term, let's say 5+ years, you're typically going to come out ahead. The real estate market goes in ups and downs, interest rates go in ups and downs, but over time, home prices always have risen in a 10-year period. If you pick any 10-year period in the history of home sales, there is always going to be an increase in value at the end of that 10-year period. So if you're going to keep the home for any significant amount of time, if this is your forever home, then don't worry about timing the market. Focus on your time in the market. The next thing on everyone's mind is, will home prices fall? The short answer, not likely. I just went to a seminar yesterday with a leading expert on this topic, and he said that the prediction is that home sales are going to continue to inflate 3 to 5% in 2025. Now, that's a step back from the close to 50% inflation in home prices that we saw from the 2021 to the 2022 year, but it's still an increase in sales price. So if you're sitting there waiting for home prices to fall, you could be sitting forever. Now, that may sound disappointing if you were hoping that home prices are going to come down, but it also means that they're not going to have the steep increase that they had in years past. And you'll likely see any home that you buy today go up in value after the keys have changed hands, and that's always a positive thing. If you're wondering how prices can continue to rise? Well, it's simple. Supply and demand. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the 2025 housing market. What do you think is going to happen? Why don't you drop a comment and tell us? And if you like these videos, click like and subscribe below, and you'll be alerted when the next one comes out. As always, if you're looking to buy or sell in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, we at the Kim Rock Group are here to help.